Hello everyone, it's Haowei here. Today's video is for Learning Outcome Check 1. I will be discussing in detail two theoretical perspectives that I am currently planning to use for analyzing my midterm social math project. Through this video, I want to demonstrate my understanding of these theories and how they can help me better interpret social relationship networks. The first theoretical perspective I have chosen is structural functionalism. This perspective views society as an organism, like the human body, where many interconnected parts each perform specific functions to maintain the overall stability and balance of society. Key concepts include manifest function, latent functions, and dysfunctions. The key theories are Emil Durkheim, who first described society as an interconnected system and emphasized how social facts constrain individuals. Talcott Parsons, who developed the AGIL model to explain how society maintains stability through adaptation, goal attainment, integration, and latency, and Robert Merton, who made the theory more practical by distinguishing between manifest and latent functions. Let's talk about another theoretical perspective I chosen, which is conflict theory. This perspective sees society not as a harmonious whole, but as an arena where different groups constantly compete for scarce resources such as power, wealth, and status. It emphasizes inequality, domination, and subordination, and how conflict drives social change. The key theories of it include Karl Marx, who identified class conflicts as the central driving force of social development, Max Weber, who expanded the concept of power beyond economies to include status and authority in multiple dimensions, and C. Wright Mills, who highlighted how power elites shape the entire social structure. In our previous classes, we have discussed power dynamics, social inequality, and how institutions affect people's lives. This theory directly helps us analyze these key issues. It forms a clear contrast with structural functionalism. Functionalism sees harmonious division of labor and stability, while conflict theory sees who benefits, who is harmed, and the underlying power struggles. Let's talk about the most important part. From the perspective of conflict theory, I can more sharply identify the hidden power imbalances and resource allocation differences in the map. For instance, how the centralized political economy system of the People's Republic of China and the liberal democratic system of the Republic of China profoundly influence people's patterns of social connection, access to resources, and social mobility through their different power structures, finally leading to very different social outcomes. Under the PRC centralized system, certain core groups may occupy the central positions in the map and control more resources and influence, while under the RC liberal democracy system, the network may be more dispersed and pluralistic, giving marginal groups greater opportunities for upward mobility. When used together, these two theories allow me to understand the same social system more comprehensively and deeply from two complementary angles: how overall stability is achieved and how internal conflicts and power operates, avoiding the limitation of seeing only surface. Above all, structural functionalism and conflict theory are the two theoretical perspectives I am currently most confident about and best suited for my project. They not only align closely with the key points discussed in class such as power dynamics, social stability, and social inequality, but also provide powerful and complementary analytical tools that will help me truly see the underlying logic behind social relationship networks. I'm very excited to I delve to my project in the coming days and discover even more interesting insights. Thank you all for watching.